Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya or Cranberry. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for Gold Leaf Book Box. They're brand new to Canada. They're a quarterly subscription box. They run for about, I think it was 60 and then, a couple dollars in shipping, so like 75 in total in Canadian dollars. So that's a big benefit already, is the fact that it's in Canadian dollars. But yeah, so these are quarterly. They'll come once every 3 months. And I have no idea what's in here. It's been teased a little bit on Instagram, and I've seen some really pretty art, but I have no idea what's going to be involved. So this will be my first time opening one of these, and I'm excited to show you guys what we get. So I'm going to start now. Okay, so let's open her up. So simple opening there. We have some gold paper. You can see some stuff in there when we take a peek. First things first, there's this little delicate flower of some sort. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's really pretty. It's got like sparkly bits on it. I've got to find the booklet, if there is a booklet, on what it is in here. No idea at the moment. So I got a little pen with one of their little business tags. And it says, "Your book adventure beckons, Maya," and then it has their website information. Cute pen, too. You can see it's got a little crown. I feel like this one is a Beauty and the Beast theme because they have a whole bunch of art on their website for Beauty and the Beast right now. This pen is super cute, though. It does say Gold Leaf Book Box on it, so you know it's like a little luxe book box with all this shiny stuff. We have some little decorative flowers in here. I might use these in my videos or not videos, my photos. I will also mention, while I'm on the subject, I have a Bookstagram account now. I have not mentioned this here because it was a spontaneous decision. It's under Betwixt Books. I'll put the information in the comments, but I've been doing photos of all the books I get and any books I love, all of the above. You can find me at Betwixt Books, as I mentioned. And yeah, I just hit a little over, I think I'm almost at 700 followers now, and it's been like 2 weeks, but no, a little bit more than that, almost a month. But super excited about that. These will probably be featured when I go over the book box. They're pretty cute. And they're made of like faux leather, like you can see there's like that gold outside, but they're really pretty. So those will be used in my videos at some point. We have Duchess of Earl Grey. It is a black tea from Teas. Sophisticated and energizing upgrade of Earl Grey with rose petals and a hint of vanilla. It's all natural flavor, dairy-free, wheat-free, ethical tea with GMO-free as well. Look at that cute little bag. Now, I'd be curious to know how much of this is Canadian, how much isn't. This is Ottawa. It says right here, Ontario, Ottawa. So that's really cool. I hope that everything in here is from Canada because I think that would be really special. If not, there's a lot of good companies around the world that are also doing a great job. But it's always exciting to find stuff from local. All right, we have a bookmark. It says, "Never pray to the gods that answer after dark." You can see that there. And it does say Gold Leaf Book Box on the back. I really like their color palette. It's really pretty. And I like the font used in that. We have a little bag, it looks like. Oh yes, a tote bag. Let's just get some of the stuff off. Canvas tote bag. You can see there's a really pretty image on there. Give you a nice view of that. It has blue, I think these are blue, navy straps. Yeah, it looks blue on the camera to go with the print. Really pretty. Definitely entices me to find out what the book is. Got a little bit of tissue. Gonna have to reuse that. And, oh, there's a couple more things in here. Before we get to the book, I will grab those out of the bottom. I like the gold paper too. All right, so I feel like this might have wanted to be on top. All right, but also it's a spoiler card, so we don't really want to spoil it. Letter from a member. So they have information on there. These are spoiler free. I'm not going to read it quite yet, though, because it spoils the book, which I mean, spoiler free, it's a spoiler card. The last thing in there is a Marker Aid Sweet Retreat mini sheet mask. And these ones formulated in Canada. I like it. I will try this out tonight, maybe. So this is 12 mini masks. That's pretty crazy. Oh, maybe that's just, no. Maybe. No, I think it's one mask, but there are 12 types. I don't know. I'm feeling out of it this afternoon. I just did an entire day of training for work. It was very fun, but also my brain's kind of gone. Um, I don't know. I don't know. It has a whole bunch of desserts on the back, so I'll let you know about it though when I'm done. But it says mini sheet masks, so maybe there are a bunch of them. It does say masks with more than one. So, anyways, let us see what is the book. Put the box on the ground so I don't drop it unceremoniously everywhere. So, first of all, it's a gift. It's literally a gift. Look at this gorgeous packaging. And there is something on top. Oh, they've sealed it with my favorite, a nice wax seal. You can see there's a nice little flower on there, or a leaf, I would assume, to match the gold leafing. This is so pretty. I don't even want to crack it, but I also want to read it. Do I have a knife? I don't. I wonder if I can do it gently. I don't want to break it. Also, I'm thinking I will incorporate more of my off-tone singing. It's terrible, but it's fun. So you guys can tell me if that's actually up your alley or if that's going to make you not want to watch these videos. Because that is definitely relevant to me. But it's fun to sing off key sometimes. All right, I got it off of one piece. I kind of ripped the envelope, but... All right, let's see. To find a way or make your... to find a way or make your own, Addie LaRue. That gives me an idea what this might be. Gold leaf book box. And then we have another art card. I'm going to put that on the bookcase as well. Nice ribbon. Just look at this paper though. Oh, so pretty. All right. I should have grabbed a knife because now I'm going to ruin this gorgeous paper and not get to reuse it. And I am one of those people who loves reusing paper. I will just get the corners and maybe I can use it again. I'll slide it out the side. Okay. Woo, okay. So, the book, as you might have suspected, is The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V.E. Schwab, which I have been wanting to read. I keep being told this book is amazing and I haven't gotten a chance, so this is perfect. I'm so excited for this. So, author, she's #1 bestseller. Now, I don't know if there's anything custom about this because I haven't seen the original copy. There's a quote from Naomi Novak, and you can see the inside paper. Tell me in the comments if this is the normal end paper or if this is decorative. And then, let's see the back. Now, keep in mind, this is also a brand new book box. So, let's see, where's she from? She's... Okay. I still need to read Darker Shade of Magic as well. I got the beautiful book tins from Owl Crate last time, and I just need to read them. All right, so otherwise, though, it looks pretty much as is. I don't see an author letter, and I don't see a signature on here, which would have been nice. So maybe future boxes will include that. Or maybe I'm missing it. I should check the spoiler card. But I've become used to a certain level of bouginess. This book is gorgeous. I'm so excited to read it. Let's go over the summary, though. A life no one will remember, a story you'll never forget, it says on the back. Should give you a closer look at this. I like little constellations. All right, here we go. If you don't want to listen to this, you can skip ahead. I will put the timestamp below. Never pray to the gods that answer after dark. France, 1714. In a moment of desperation, a young woman named Adeline meets a dangerous stranger and makes a terrible mistake. As she realizes the limitations of her Faustian bargain, being able to live forever without being able to be remembered by anyone she sees, Addie chooses to flee her small village as everything she once held dear is torn away. But there are still dreams to be had and a life to live, and she is determined to find excitement and satisfaction in the world. In the wide beckoning world, even if she will be doomed to be alone forever. Or not quite alone, as every year on her birthday an alluring Lou comes to visit her, checking to see if she's ready to give up her soul Their darkly thrilling game stretches through the ages, seeing Addie witness history and fight to regain herself as she crosses oceans and tries on various lives. It will be 300 years before she stumbles into a hidden bookstore and discovers someone who can remember her name, and suddenly everything changes again. This sounds amazing. It says it's in the vein of The Time Traveler's Wife, Life After Life, The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue is a New York Times bestselling author V.E. Schwab, and it's a genre-defying tour de force. And it actually reminds me a little bit of, gosh, what is that movie called? The actress from Gossip Girl. Nope. I don't know. I can't remember. If you remember the movie I'm talking about, with the actress who's married to Ryan Reynolds. Wow, this is terrible. Does her name start with a B? Nope, no idea. Okay, well, if you remember it, oh, it's gonna bother me now. Age of Adeline, which I wonder if it's related to this at all. Okay, well, the movie is Age of Adeline, which I'm not sure now. This is brand new, I think. When did this come out? Came out in 2020, and Age of Adeline came out a while ago. So I wonder if they're related in any way, because Adeline is super old and people don't remember her, or she changes her identity. But I don't think that she runs into anyone in a bookstore. I'll have to rewatch it. But this has been on my wish list for a while, so I'm very excited to get started with it, and I love a good hardcover. I'll just take this off and we can take a look to see if there's anything special about this dust jacket. We have a pretty edge there. But again, just a basic cover from what I can tell. Beautiful end papers. And I really love the stuff that came with it. The prints are really gorgeous. Let me just pull it out here. We'll go back over them. So excited about this book. I've really been wanting to read this. All right, so going back through here, we have some beautiful art cards. This one's on a photo quality paper, so it's got a nice gloss to it. This one here is a gorgeous little art card. I love her pink hair. It's so cute. Definitely going to put that on the case. By that I mean bookcase, obviously. We have the face masks, which cute as well, and also Canadian. We have the lovely tote bag. Just bring that out there. We have our pen, which has a little crown on it. We have the tea's Duchess of Earl Grey tea, which I will be sipping while I do my reading. And a couple decorative items that were in there, which are good props for my photos. I'm excited to use those for Bookstagram. The envelopes from everything. And I think my favorite things in here, I really like the tote bag, and oh, I do like the bookmark as well. I forgot to point that out. The bookmark, very cute. But I really like the art prints in general. This one's probably my favorite, and that's also the one that's on the tote bag, so that's nice. I cannot wait to read this. Let me know what you thought of the box in the comments. Remember, this is brand new. This is their first box, and it's quarterly, so it'll be every 3 months, and it is shipping within Canada, I believe. So unfortunately, international won't get a chance at this one yet, but it's exciting to have something that's in Canada that's specifically Canadian. So that's really exciting, and I can't wait to see more from Gold Leaf Book Box. If you're interested in seeing more, you can check out my Bookstagram under Betwixt Books, or you can follow me at Cranfairy on Instagram or on Twitch. I stream games on Twitch and do some art, and then same with Cranfairy on Instagram. Lots of art. Yeah, this was successful in general, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Cheers!